Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect Bit Form to Asana using Bit Flows. Bit Flows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bit Flows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a task in Asana using Bit Form. I will use Bit Form as a trigger node to send a message and interact with Asana. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Bit Form as a trigger. Next, let's add Bit Form as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Bit Form, Submit Success as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from Bit Form. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Bit Form trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Asana as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select Asana, create a task as the action from the pop-up. Next, select an Asana connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide your Asana credentials in the token field to establish a connection with Asana. To get your credentials, visit the Asana Developers page. Now, click on the Create New Token button and complete the Personal Access Token creation process. Once your access token is successfully created, then copy it. Now go back to the Bit Flows Builder and paste it into the token field. Then click the Connect button. Your Asana node is now successfully connected to Bit Flows. Now, select the project from the drop-down where you want the new task to be created for this integration. Then choose the section from the drop-down menu within that project where the task should appear. Next, you can choose an existing parent task from the drop-down options if you want your new task to be created as a subtask. You can also add tags from the drop-down options if needed. Now, I will map the fields from the Bit Form response to the Asana fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Bit Form. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bit Flows Builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in Asana node. Step 5. Verify the created task in Asana. Finally, go to your Asana dashboard and select your project name. Then, click on your selected task name. Here, you will see that a new task has been successfully created in your Asana account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.